As I grow older, how can implants help me in staying healthy and active, allowing me to age gracefully?
So all the time we have patients that come in and they'll say, you know, if I was 10 years younger, I would get the implant, but I don't need that now. And what I'll tell you is that implants play a significant role in what you would say aging gracefully. So what do I mean by that? One of the key benefits of implants is their lifespan. They last a long time. There's a lot of research and data, that shows that they have high success rates even with older implant models, and the technology has really advanced. So it's a great restoration for long term. You get great lifetime value. And also coming in for your regular visits, let's say the implant never sees a piece of floss or it gets brushed halfway once a day, that may also put the implant at risk. And many people, the tooth would be more at risk than an implant, but there still is risk if you don't take care of it. These are factors that are really on you. You gotta take care of it and make sure that you are able to get that long lifespan. But yes, they last a long time. We see success rates with the literature, 98, 99% success, integration, in other words, staying in the bone with no consequence for even 25, 30 years. And as the studies go on, we'll see more longevity. So in these situations where people just take a tooth out and leave it missing, what ends up happening, not only do you lose bone, and that can actually affect, very often it affects the facial structure, how the lips sit against your face, because teeth and not only the teeth, but the gum and bone that are supported by the teeth, when they go away, it affects your face. And I often have people come in if there's more teeth missing and say that, like, why does it look like my lip has sunken in? And that's because there was no replacement of teeth. That's a really important part. Also, if you're missing teeth, and one of the things that's really important is going out and having a great time with your friends and family and eating meals. And if you're wearing a partial to replace teeth, that's a plate that comes in and out, or a denture, or you're missing teeth, it's gonna affect the way that you interact with your family and your friends, and you're not gonna be as comfortable. You know, I've even had a patient that told me that their granddaughter said, "What is that moved?" Or, you know, "Why is there a dark tooth there?" All kinds of stories about this. So being able to go out with your family and friends and be confident because you're able to eat and you're able to speak without something moving around. And on top of that, like we talked about, the maintenance of your facial structure because of the bone is super important for aging gracefully.